Hello students, today we will read the next portion of your story, The Sam and the Secret Call. Open page number 55. Now look at your book. By now the wind was stronger. So what we have seen so far, that they met with the dolphins. The sea was choppy and the little boat was swaying in the water. A large wave crashed on over the side of the boat, throwing Armando on the floor where he lay without moving. So what happened? By the now the wind became stronger. That means there was storm. And the sea was choppy. Choppy means there was rough wind with many big waves because of strong winds, and the little boat was swaying in the water. Swaying means move slowly with rhythm. That means there was high wave and the boat was swaying. That means move slowly with rhythm. A large wave crashed. Then suddenly a large wave came and Armando was thrown in the floor. Sam tried to revive him, but it did not work. So the stroke was so severe that Sam thought Armando became senseless. So Sam tried to revive, that means tried to awaken Armando. But it did not work, but still he laid unconscious. Sam looked around nervously. Sam became puzzled and he looked around nervously. All he could see around him were the blue waters of the sea. That means all around there is only blue water. He had never felt so lonely before. He looked at Armando again. He not only became lonely but also helpless. Where I can get help? Wondered Sam. Sam was trying to get help. He had an idea. So what idea came to his mind? He put his thumbs in his mouth in the correct position and blew through the gap between them. Then Sam started to blow the whistle. The whistle came out long and low, cutting through the noise of the rain and the wind. As there was strong wind, so the whistle have to go through hardships. Again and again he whistled. Then he again and again whistled to revive the dolphins. Then he heard a noise, and there they were. They were means the dolphins, 30 or 40 of them. As Sam whistled, the dolphins came there, swimming through the waves towards him. Then they are coming to Sam to help him. They surrounded the boat and began to push it along using their heads. So either 30 or 40 dolphins started to push their boat, as there was strong wind and no one to help them. Sam was so relieved that he wanted to cry. Relieved means relaxed, that he wanted to cry. Sometimes we cry not only for grief but also when we feel relaxed. Similarly, Sam felt relaxed and it seemed that he wanted to cry. The dolphin pushed the little boat for many hours until the storm had passed and the sky was clear. That means the dolphins were uh, so friendly that they helped him until the sky was clear and the storm had passed. Up on the deck, Sam had tried to make Armando as comfortable as possible. Suddenly, Armando groaned and sat up. So, meanwhile, Sam started to comfort Armando, or tried to got him back sense. So then Armando started to groan. That means a deep, inarticulate sound due to pain, and sat up. Oh, my head! Oh, my head! What happened? He asked. That means when he got his sense, he felt a kind of pain because there was a stroke. Okay, now you knocked your head when a wave crashed on the boat. So I whistled for the dolphins and they saved us. So Sam was explaining the matter to Armando, that he knocked his head in the floor of the boat, and when a wave crashed on the boat, and so he whistled the dolphins to help them. Incredible, Armando said. Incredible means unbelievable. In all my years I never see anything like this. It's a good thing I teach you the whistle. Yes, বলছে, in my whole life I never see that kind of thing. That means he felt pleasure to teach him, Armando, the whistle. Teach Sam the whistle. Armando leaned down to the dolphins. That means the dolphins were still carrying their duty. Thank you, my friends. I fixed the engine well now. You can rest. So he thanked the dolphins and also assured them, Armando, that he will fix the engine soon. The dolphins stopped pushing. They stopped, slowly turned around. Then they turned around and then joyfully leaped through the waves back out to the sea. Then they back out to the sea. Thank you, my friends. You saved my life, yelled Sangeeta, waving at them. So he also felt thank you to Armando. Not only Armando but also Sam felt gratitude for them and also thanked them. Not longer after, the engine rode to life. That means the engine was fixed and it started to continue its journey. We will be back very soon now, said Armando at the wheel. That means they will soon reach their destination. Well, young Sam, what a day you had. So Armando told Sam that it was really a stormy day for Sam. But Sam was not listening. He was watching the last of the dolphins flying like a bird through the golden water. So the dolphins are flying like a bird through the water of the sea, its majestic fins glinting in the rays. That means the big fins of the dolphins are glinting. That means sparkling in the rays of the setting sun. Okay, so we have finished the story. Armando's English is little different because his home language is not English. Okay, so Armando's language is not English, so his English is little different. So we have finished the story. I hope you have understood all.